Hello friends, in the present video, we will understand the concept of capitalization method of goodwill valuation, other methods of goodwill valuation, that is average profit method, super profit method, and introduction videos have already been made, and the link pertaining to those videos will be shared in I button as well as in the description box. What is capitalization method? Uh, in this method, you must understand generally what will happen. Suppose I'll give an example. Suppose if you have invested 1 lakh rupees and you earned a profit of, let's say, 10,000 rupees, which is a normal course of business. But presume that with the less capital, if you have invested 80,000 and you have earned 10,000 profit. Earlier case I have told you 1 lakh rupees invested, 10,000 profit. If you have invested 80,000 and earned 10,000 same amount of profit, then what is happening? It has means that you are utilizing your capital, that is your investment, very efficiently. So how much difference is taking place? That is 20,000 rupees. The difference between the investments, that is capital, is 20,000. Thus this 20,000 is called as capital saved, and this saved capital can be considered as a value of goodwill under capitalization method. This is the basic logic of capitalization method. When you talk about the capitalization method, here we have two methods. One is capitalization based on average profit, another one is capitalization based on super profits, right? So individually these methods we will understand. So first we'll take up capitalization of average profit method. Under this method we will consider the average profits and we will calculate the goodwill by making it as a capitalized. So what is the formula for goodwill? Goodwill is equals to, here, capitalized value of average profit minus capital actually employed in the business. How we will calculate capitalized value of average profit? The capitalized value of average profit is equals to average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. So from this average profit, we will calculate what is the capitalized value of average profit. By dividing with NRR, we will get the certain amount of investment. That investment is called as capitalized value of average profit. This capitalized value of average profit will be compared with actual capital employed, right? So already you are aware how to calculate actual capital employed. Capital employed is equals to total assets minus external liabilities, right? So this capitalized value of average profit minus actual capital employed, the positive figure is called as goodwill, right? So this is one of the methods of calculation of goodwill under capitalized value method, that is capitalization of average profit. So we'll take up problems. Two illustrations will take up based on this method. See the question, what it says. A firm earned an average profit during the last few years is 40,000, and normal rate of return in the similar course of business is amounted to uh, 10% normal rate of return you'll get. The total assets are 3,60,000 and total liabilities are 50,000. Calculate the value of goodwill with the help of the capitalization of average profits method. Very simple. The information pertaining to NRR is given 10%, average profit 40,000 is given, and total assets 3,60,000 and total liabilities are 50. Sorry, our external liabilities are 50. So capital employed easily we can get. So apply the formula. When you come to the solution, first goodwill is equals to formula capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. So working notes will come to first. How to calculate capital employed? Capital employed is equals to total assets minus outside liabilities or external liabilities. So total assets are 3,60,000, outside liabilities are 50,000, is equals to 3,10,000 is our capital employed. Then how to calculate capitalized value of average profit? Formula is average profit into 100 divided by NRR, that is normal rate of return or normal rate of profit. So we have given Average profit is 40,000 into 100 divided by NRR given in the question 10%, that is 10 is equals to 4 lakhs. So 4 lakhs is the capitalized value of average profit and capital employed is 3 lakh 10,000. How much excess? That is our goodwill. That is equals to 4 lakhs minus 3 lakh 10,000 is equals to 90,000 is our goodwill, right? So in this way we need to calculate. So we'll see the next question. The capital investment in the firm is 4,60,000 and the rate of return of the similar business is 12%, that is NRR. A firm earns the following profit for the last 4 years are 60, 80, 70, 90,000 respectively. Calculate the value of goodwill by capitalization method. So in this case we can calculate the goodwill by capitalization of average profits method. Is equals to solution will be goodwill is equals to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. Then formula we have put and we need to do the working notes. Under working notes, first we'll calculate average profit. How to calculate average profit? Make the simple average, right? That is 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000. Make the summation divided by 4. You will get 75,000. This is your average profit. Once you get average profit, then capitalized value of average profit is equals to apply the formula, that is average profit into 100 by NRR. So 75,000 into 100 by 12 is equals to 6,25,000 is your capitalized value of average profit. So then goodwill is equals to capitalized value of average profit. Just now we calculated 6,25,000 minus capital employed directly given in the question, that is 4,60,000. So goodwill is 1,65,000 is the value of goodwill. This is the procedure, basic and very simple procedure we need to apply for calculation, right? So next we'll take up capitalization of super profits. Under this method, what? Very easy, we need to calculate super profit. Already how to calculate super profit we have discussed in the earlier videos, like super profit method. If you don't understand here, you watch the video and you can easily understand. Anyhow, prior to this video you watch that video to better understand the methods, right? So anyhow, the formula will be goodwill is equals to capitalized value of goodwill is equals to, under super profits method, is goodwill is equals to super profit into 100 by NRR, that is normal rate of return, right? So super profit into 100 by normal rate of return is the value of goodwill. Directly formula, that's right. So we'll take up illustration. A firm earns a profit of 26,000, has invested an amounting to rupees 22,000. 2,20,000 is the capital invested and earning a profit of 26,000. The same business normal rate of return is 10%. Calculate the value of goodwill with the help of the capitalization of super profits method, right? So formula, goodwill is equals to super profit into 100 by normal rate of return, that is NRR. First working notes. Under working notes, what we need to calculate? Super profit. So for calculation of super profit, we have given actual profit 26,000 and normal profit we need to calculate. Normal profit, how to calculate? Capital employed into NRR. Capital employed is 2,20,000, NRR is 10%. So 22,000 is normal profit. What is the difference between normal profit and actual profit? The excess of actual profit over the normal profit is super profit. That is super profit is equals to actual profit minus normal profit, that is 26 minus 22,000, that comes to 4,000 is our super profit. Then apply the formula, super profit into 100 by 10, that is NRR, into is equals to 40,000 is the value of goodwill. Under which method? Under capitalization of super profits method, right? Directly apply the formula, you can get the answer. Quite easy. Please bear in mind, you can easily do the problem, right? I hope I made you understand the entire basic crux of this concept, right? So I'll give you one homework kind of a thing. You take this problem and work out at home. Try to solve this problem and mention the answer in the what we call comment box. I will reply you. Mr. Wiseman invested 2 lakh rupees in his own business, which is very profitable one. The annual profit earned from the business is 45,000, which includes 10,000 received as a compensation as a part of his business. So this profit compensation we don't take, right? As an alternative to his engagement in his business, he could have invested the money in the deposit, that is NRR is given 10%, right? And also could engage himself in an employment whereby he will be getting a salary of 7,200, right? Considering 2% fair compensation for the risk involved in the business, calculate the value of goodwill under capitalization of super profit at the normal rate, ignore taxation. Very easy. So what is the profit you have? Capital invested is given, NRR is 10 plus to 12%. We need to take risk also, we need to add, right? So but most important, the profit which we have given 45,000, from that we need to deduct this compensation, which is non business income, non recurring income. So 45,000 minus 10,000, which includes 10,000 received as a compensation. This you must deduct. At the same time, 7,200 salary even you have to deduct. So 45 minus 10,000 minus 7,200, what is you are getting? That is your what? Actual profit. From that, 2 lakhs into 12%, you deduct 24,000 is your normal profit. You'll get super profit. Super profit divided by NRR into 100, 12% into 100, you'll get the answer. So work out this problem, put the answer in the I button. Sorry, what we call comment box. I will give the reply. So thank you very much. Right? I hope I made you understand the entire crux. So thank you very much for being patient listeners and watching the entire video. Do subscribe my channel, Mentor the Trusted Guide. Right?